Hello everyone, my name is Tito Rahman and I will present complex sentence, a verb clause and adjective clause. What is an verb clause? An adjective clause is a dependent clause that describes of modifies a noun or pronoun. It provides more information about the noun, such in identifying it or giving additional details. Adjective clause begin with relative pronouns or relative adverb. Differences of subordinate conjunction after and on as as shown after, so that one action occurs later than another. Example: after I finished my homework, I went to the bed. On the as shown as shown that action happens dependently when another action is complete. Example: as soon as the rain stopped, we went outside. When and whenever. When refers to a specific time something happens. Example: when I arrived at home, it was already dark. Whenever refers to any time something happens repeatedly or generally. Example: whenever she feels stressed, she listens to music. When and by the time. When indicates the exact moment an action occurs. Example: when the movie starts, please turn off your phone. By the time indicates that something has already happened before another action occurs. Example: by the time we arrived, the concert had already finished. Because and how that. Because introducing a general reason. Example: I stayed at home because I was sick. Know that sound is know that so as a reason that is true due to a new situation or change. Example: now that the exam is over, I can finally relax. And even talk and even talk so contrast with a real or real situation. Example: even talk is wet raining, we continue playing. Even if so contact with a possible or imaginary situation. Example: even if it rains tomorrow, I will still go hiking. What is an adjective clause? An adjective clause is a dependent clause that describes or modifies a noun or pronoun. It provides more information about the noun, such as identifying it or giving additional text. Adjective clause begin with relative pronouns as relative adverb. Relative pronouns and relative adverbs. Who relative to people as the subject of the clause. Whom refers to people as the object of the clause. Which refers to animals or things. That refers to people, animal, or thing, or more commonly used an essential clause. Whose so profession for people, animal, or thing. Relative adverbs. Where refers to a place. When refers to a time. Why refers to a reason. Next example of a sentence. Who the teacher who helped me was very kind. Whom the woman you met yesterday is my aunt. Which the book which I promise is very interesting. That the car that broke is expensive. Who the student who laptop broke mine. Relative effort. Where the thing where this is a cafe where we first met. When I remember the guy when we graduate. Why do you know the reason why I have left early? Next, essential class or restricted class provides necessary information to identify the noun. Without the meaning of the sentence become unclear. Still not use comments and non-essential non-essential clause or non-restrictive clause give us extra information that is not needed to identify the noun. The sentence still makes sense without it user comments. Example sentence summary. Sentence student who study hard usually in the good fairness. The laptop as they broke last week is already broken and non-essential. My brother who is live in Japan will visit us next month. The two, the Eiffel Tower which is located in Paris attracts millions of tourists. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope the explanation was clear and helpful. Thank you.